We got the breakdown of the multi-month trend line for futures. You guys remember Uncle spoke about the multi-month trend line. Yesterday we opened below it, and I wanted to see if futures could deny the bears the breakdown by recapturing the 58.81 level and the 59.30 level. You guys can see we had a like a doji, but it showed selling pressure from that green uptrend line. So we got the close below the green trend line. It even rejected from the green trend line. And here we have this morning a bearish continuation. Remember, guys, we spoke about all this ahead of time before any of this happened. This is the point of Uncle's videos, is to prepare all of us. I mentioned we lose 59.30, we lose 58.81. It's going to be bearish, at least down to the green trend line, which it hit. And if we lose the green trend line, it's going to be extremely bearish. We lost that green trend line. The bulls had an opportunity for a recapture, and they failed. And here we are about to hit my next fib level at 57.77. Guys, I'm telling you this right now. The bullish structure of the green trend line has been violated. So we break it down. Fib support at 58.44 as of recording this, and it's working way towards my next level, 57.77. If 57.77 fails next, the next target that I have for our futures is 57.29, and then we're gonna go for the gap fill. All right, we're gonna go for the gap fill, which is around 56.86. But here's the thing. I have a fib level at 56.82. So for me to consider the gap to be filled, I need to see that fib level hit at 56.82. And of course, if 56.82 fails, we are just going to keep on dropping, with next target at 56.57 and 56.23. Are we on the same page here, guys? One more time. Stay bearish below 58.44. And if we lose 57.77, the bearish continuation continues down. We are in breakdown mode. Now, if we are to get a bounce, if we are to put in a bottom, as usual, support level must hold. We're seeing a little bit, some slight buying pressure here. You guys can see the wick as I'm recording this, very close to my fib level. So if we are to truly get a bounce from here, I need to see 58.44 recapture. I need to see 58.81 recapture. That would put 59.30 back in play. And above 59.30, if that recap, that would be bullish, and it will continue the bullish trend from early April. If the bulls fail to recapture 58.44 and 58.81, I am going to continue to lean bearish on futures. Why? Because we are in breakdown mode. So says the price action. Now here is the Nasdaq. Here is the Nasdaq. We are breaking down. Look, it didn't quite. It's not, the breaks down is not official yet for the Nasdaq. Okay, for this yellow uptrend line, it's not official just yet. This is a 4-hour chart. We'll find out in 2 hours if this breakdown is going to be official. But I tell you this, as long as below 21,040, 21,040, I recommend all of us, including myself, to stay bearish on the Nasdaq 100. I do have a little support here at 20,813. 20,813 is my support level based on a pivot low from early May. If 20,813 fails as support, I have the next fib level at 20,700, 20,428, and we do have a gap all the way down at 20,150. And of course, we got the big 20,000 level itself. Stay bearish on the Nasdaq as long as below 20,040. If we are to get a bounce, the bulls must deny the bears a breakdown of this multi-month trend line that you guys see before you. That means 21,040 must recapture. Now, I do have some micro level fib levels. Now, those micro level fib levels, they aren't as powerful, but they can be very helpful because they can serve as the stair steps to the next main critical level. So if 21,040 recaptures, 21,163 is the next target, 21,237, 21,300. If those levels can clear, then we can get back up to 21, what is this, 418. And recapturing 21,418 should send us back up to 21,560 plus. And I do have a target at 21,685 above that. So the critical level, main level, 21,040. Above it, we can get a bounce. But below it, guys, Nasdaq is in breakdown mode. And if it's in breakdown mode, I recommend us staying bearish and following the price action. That is the sheep style way. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Good luck today. Let's finish this week strong. Don't take on too much risk. You don't want to enter the 3-day weekend red, okay? Happy Memorial Day weekend. Peace.